Når Cindy Castillo slår tonerne an på orglet, flyder melankoli og historier ud gennem de 7.000 piber på Danmarks største orgel. Hun er rejst hele vejen fra Belgien med ønsket om at drage publikum ind i en anden verden.
I think that organ is a fantastic instrument which can make you dream. You can become a dreamer. When you listen to an organ, you have so many different sounds that you can imagine a lot of stories or a lot of instruments or a lot of people. It's like a theater, in fact, or a movie.
Selvom mange er mødt op for at tage del i hendes musikalske univers, oplever Cindy Castillo, at orgelmusikkens rækkevidde er begrænset.
My challenge is maybe to attract people in the churches, or maybe to take the organ outside the churches. Maybe to put a little organ in a theater or a cinema or a concert hall, or maybe in the street, to make it possible to discover this beautiful thing.